So we've got a Mercedes here that the issue was, you can see here, it doesn't do anything. And then randomly, so if I hold it there, it'll start. Then I said, that's weird. So I was using my little tool here and I could see the light on it. So I don't know if you can see the light, but if I play with the key, the light will turn on. See that randomly? So if I put it in, it blinks, but if I pull on it, it blinks. See that? If I play with it, it starts blinking, which means there's probably a fault in this switch and not the key. As I suspected, the soldering points on these is broken, so we gotta pop that off and solder them back onto the board. We got it all soldered back on there. You can put it back in the switch and go put it back in the car. Put it back installed in the car, and we can see it works every time now. No issues.